Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. So today I am back with another video, and of course we're going to get into this hair that I'm currently rocking. So today we are featuring Amanda Hair. Big shout out to Amanda Hair for sponsoring today's video. So let's get into this look. So today I have a 24-inch, 250 density, 13x4 highlight lace frontal unit. This is a curly texture, beautiful curls. So for this install, I decided to leave the curls dry because the curl pattern is so beautiful. I've been doing this with the past few curly units that I've had because I really want you to see the curl texture. So instead of completely wetting it down with water, I just use a little bit of water to refresh the curls, and then I use this product that I've been using by Aussie. I will link it down below, but that is all as far as hair products. We went with an off-center part. I love the volume and I wanted to show that off with this side part. So that is how I style this unit. As far as the unit itself, you do get a decent amount of parting space. I show you what the lace inside looks like. It is a 13x4, and as you can see, you can part it to the side, so you do have your 4 inches to the side, and we love a side parting 13x4. And I love the fact that you still have length with this hair, because with curly textures, you always have that chance that which your length doesn't show. To be honest, this hair looks like it could be a 26. With curly textures, they all look different when it comes to length, but this is definitely giving you all 24, if not 26, and we love the inches over here. So overall, I do like this hair, and if you are interested in this hair or this company, check the links down in the description box. Definitely check out some other videos here on YouTube. This is my first time collaborating with this company, so decided to bring you something new. Hopefully we could get into some other wigs, because so far with this one, I'm not bad at it. Okay, so big shout out to Amanda Hair. Stay tuned for the rest of the video if you want to see how the final look came out. Shout out to y'all for watching another hair tutorial, and I will see you in the next video. Bye. So
my resume is real enough for 2 millenniums. A better way to make a way, start defending them. I meditate and moderate all of my wins again. I'm hanging on the fence again, I'm always on your mind. I put my lyric and my lifeline on the line. And ain't no limit when I might shine, might grind. Be rolling with it at the right time, right now. Only for the dollar sign.
That girl, with me now. Swerve, 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 even now. On your pulse, like a CDM. Guessing, like a premium. All lasting, down in the fast lane, then it's that. With the full in the gas stream, I'm established. And the carrots, I'm a name, with the atlas. I'm a natural, I'm a ring.
I'm a savage, I'm a king. Shimmy out, shimmy out, shimmy out, rock. You can tell your nigga he can meet me outside. You can maybe sit on when I leave him outside. Ain't no other love like the one I know. I done been down so long, also. I done came down so hard, I slow. Honestly, forever, all a real nigga won't.
I said I'm deep and I'm fired up. All I want tonight is just get higher.
Loyalty. Tenfold, no switching sides. Feel something wrong. You acting shifty, you don't buy when we go more. I need loyalty. too. Is it love for the streets when the lights get dark? Is it unconditional when the robbery don't start? Tell me when your loyalty is coming from the heart.
Tell me who you're loyal to. Do it stop with your woman or your man? Do it in with your family and friends? Or you loyal to yourself and the fans? I said, tell me who you're loyal to. Is it anybody that you would lie for? Anybody you would slide for? Anybody you would die for?
That's what it
I
counts
said
for.
I'm deep and I'm fired up. All I want tonight is just get higher.
How this goes? Did I forget who I am? And how this goes? Only heaven knows if you can truly win in the midst of a world that's golden. How am I up right now? I'm not. I'm still down. Only heaven knows if you can truly win in the midst of a world that's golden. How am I up right now? I'm not. I'm still down. Niggas dying every day. But what can I say? They just want me the same.